Okay, this is the back seat. Tan color. Looks like somebody tried to fix the window. The netting is gone. The netting is there. Looks like somebody used it to carry tire. But otherwise, it's in good shape. Just needs massive cleaning. Headliner is sagging, but we're gonna ignore that for now. Wood trim is missing. Another trim is missing. We're gonna 3D print these. That shot. Wood trim missing. Radio missing. Ashtray. We're not gonna fix that. We're gonna 3D print this. It's all cracked up. We're not gonna fix it. We're gonna 3D print it. It's got a nice dash carpet. The temperature sensor is missing. There's a little crack. The rest of the dash looks pretty good. I'm gonna clean that up. It's got a cracked windshield. It's going from here to here, so it's not gonna get any worse. It's got matching, non-matching sun visor. 50% of it. I don't think it's working. That needs replacing. Glove box is practically brand new. Doesn't shot. Okay. Alright, there we go. Ooh, dust. Tan color. Really faded. Here, I think this is a replacement. The colors don't match. Darker, lighter. And this is like a cream beige. And that is tan color. There's a crack there. I'm gonna try to fix that. Alright, open the hood. Open the hood. Okay, that didn't sound good. There's my little tab. Raise it. Pop out. Nope, does not want to pop out. So to help it, pop it out. Good. Okay, hinges need some kind of help or lubrication. Okay. Kind of holds. Alright, here's a 5-cylinder turbo diesel. Right away, it's missing right here, air conditioning unit with the auxiliary fan. Power steering looks good. Cruise control looks good. Fuel filter, pre-filter looks good. Fuel injection looks good. Looks like all the vacuum hoses are looking good, except the yellow one. So we know there's a vacuum leak. Brake fluid looks full. A little over. Throttle linkage is lubed, looking good. I don't know what that is. Does not look good. Which means this thing shakes. Okay, so air filter housing mounts are broken clearly. Fan is stopping. So fan clutch is good. Turbocharger is there. Fluid looks good. Battery looks good. Hinge is super bad. Okay, it says automotive air conditioner R12. So we check out the automotive air conditioning compressor. Compressor is there. Oil cooler looks good. So I'm not gonna follow the compressor now, but this car has no air conditioning clearly. All right, the engine shock mount is gone. It's missing right there. So we have to install that. So check the other side for other engine shock. And it is there. So this side has right there. So this side is here, but the other side is gone. And engine mount, that one looks really bad. So this side, passenger side, needs a new engine mount. Driver's side, engine mount is actually brand new, so it needs one engine mount for sure. I don't know why they did that. It would be cheaper to do both at the same time. And no hood liner.